Cloves are dried flower buds, recognized for their therapeutic benefits. They have a long history of use in traditional medicine systems. Essential oils in cloves contribute to their medicinal properties. These components collectively promote overall health and well-being. Clove oil's pain-relieving properties are primarily attributed to eugenol. Eugenol is a natural compound known for its analgesic effects. Clove oil can alleviate toothache, gum pain, and inflammation in affected areas due to eugenol. Cloves enhance digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes facilitate a more efficient breakdown of food in the digestive system. Improved food breakdown helps alleviate common digestive discomforts. This includes reducing bloating, gas, nausea, and general indigestion. Cloves contain a high concentration of antioxidants. Cloves contain antibacterial properties beneficial for oral health. These properties help eliminate bacteria that cause bad breath. They are effective against bacteria that contribute to gum disease. Using cloves promotes better oral hygiene and helps prevent dental problems. Cloves possess properties that can enhance insulin function in the body. Improved insulin function is particularly advantageous for individuals managing diabetes. Moderate consumption of cloves can contribute to the maintenance of stable blood sugar levels. Incorporating cloves into a balanced diet may support overall glucose control. Cloves possess anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate various types of pain. These properties contribute to the reduction of joint pain, enhancing mobility and comfort. Cloves also help in diminishing muscle soreness, aiding in recovery after physical activity. Furthermore, cloves are effective in reducing swelling, providing relief from inflammatory conditions. Cloves offer protection against liver damage. By mitigating these threats, cloves support overall liver health and function. Cloves can assist in clearing mucus from the respiratory system. Cloves may also provide relief from asthma and common colds. The overall effect is to facilitate easier and more comfortable breathing. Cloves have a history of traditional use for enhancing libido. They are also used to improve overall sexual performance. Cloves contain specific compounds that contribute to these effects. These compounds may enhance sexual health. They may also improve sexual vitality. These properties make cloves a natural option for sexual enhancement. Cloves can be safely consumed when guidelines are followed. Moderation is key to safe clove consumption. A typical safe daily intake is limited to 1-2 cloves. Exceeding the recommended intake can cause adverse effects. Overconsumption may lead to irritation of the mouth or digestive tract. Allergic reactions are also possible with excessive clove intake. One method of consuming cloves involves directly chewing them. A recommended amount is chewing 1 to 2 cloves per day. This direct absorption may lead to quicker effects compared to other consumption methods. Cloves can be added to tea or warm water for consumption. Infusing cloves in hot beverages releases their essential oils. This infusion enhances both the flavor and potential health benefits of the beverage. The heat aids in extracting the beneficial compounds from the cloves. Cloves can be incorporated directly into various cooking applications. They are also suitable for inclusion in diverse spice blends. Cloves contribute a warm and distinctive aromatic flavor to dishes. Their inclusion enhances the overall sensory experience of food. Beyond flavor, cloves also offer potential health benefits. This dual functionality makes them a valuable culinary ingredient. Soaking cloves overnight in water enhances their digestive and immunity-boosting properties. Use 2 to 3 cloves for each soaking to achieve optimal concentration. Drinking the clove-infused water in the morning provides a concentrated dose of benefits. This practice is a simple method to improve overall wellness. Cloves should be consumed responsibly and in limited quantities. Overconsumption of cloves can lead to adverse effects. Excessive clove intake may cause irritation in some individuals. Allergic reactions are also possible with high clove consumption. Cloves are best used in moderation as part of a balanced diet.